Now, what I want to really focus on and hone is my skill as a content creator. And that's why I'm really investing time, effort, and money to help me tell better stories. And I hope you will take this journey with me. With that said, let's proceed with the unboxing. Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel, a channel about real estate, personal finance, and business. Today, I will be doing another unboxing video. So in my last video, I unboxed my new Asus ZenBook 13 flip laptop. And now I will be unboxing my newest real estate gadget, my DJI Mini 2 drone. In my work as a real estate broker and vlogger, I need the right tools to tell stories. When I started vlogging in November of 2020, it has always been our intention to buy a drone. But since we had to get other vlogging equipment first, like lights, tripod, mic, wide-angle lens, we weren't able to buy it immediately. But now, we are finally able to buy it. So the main reason why I wanted to get one is, of course, it's to showcase our listings better. When I list properties with big areas like 20, 30, 40, 50 hectares and up, you can't really show the property using a regular camera. It has to have an aerial shot so you can really see the property in its entirety. Also, when developers launch new projects, they often start selling even before they start developing the area. So in order to appreciate the project, since there's nothing to see in the area yet, then at least I can provide an aerial view so my clients can better see and appreciate the location of the whole project. Now, I'm also an all-out type of person. Either I do something all out or not at all. So just like with love life, either you fully commit to someone or not at all. Belated Happy Valentine's, by the way. Real estate is something that I'm already very familiar with since I've been doing this for the past 10 years. Now, what I want to really focus on and hone is my skill as a content creator. And that's why I'm really investing time, effort, and money to help me tell better stories. And I hope you will take this journey with me. With that said, let's proceed with the unboxing. The smell of a new gadget. It smells so nice. Okay, so this is what's inside the box. Love the box. White and clean. So there's a small bag. It's very compact. Okay. So this is what's inside the bag. Here's the drone. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's very tiny. I bought a camera bag a couple of months ago, and I bought a huge one because I was planning to buy a drone, but this is super tiny, so I guess I should have bought a smaller bag. Okay, so this is it. I haven't used this yet, so Kirby, it's up to you to learn how to use it. I'll just support you. Okay, and this is the control of the drone. Looks like a gaming console. See? So this is battery operated. It comes with rechargeable batteries. So inside is the charger. And it also has wires. Okay, it has two of these. Okay, two of these. And then it also has a USB wire. But the end is, again, it's USB-C. So all the gadgets use USB-C now. And this is the charger. of the battery. So it comes with 2 batteries. So it comes with 2 batteries. So each battery has a flight time of 30 minutes, according to my husband. But, you know, we'll check it out if that's really true. But yeah, it's supposed to have a flight time of 30 minutes per battery. So not bad. If you have 2 batteries, then you can fly the drone for an hour. Okay, so yeah, this is it for now. I've done unboxing my drone. I'm so excited to make more awesome content for you guys. And I'm so excited to use this in my house tours, at least so the introduction will be more, I don't know, bongga, because the introduction is like drone shot na. Okay, so that's it for now. I can't wait to start using this, and I would like to know what your thoughts are once we post our first drone videos. Anyway, I hope I was able to provide value to you today, as that's always my aim. I really want to provide value to you guys, whether it's through information or through the inputs that I have, being here in the real estate industry for already 10 years. So that's really my goal, to just help you guys, help you understand money better, help you improve, and help you make better life choices, especially with topics related to real estate, personal finance, and business. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in my next video.